Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Feel your body relax completely. Bring your attention to your heart center. Imagine a golden ball of light glowing there, the essence of your life force energy. With every breath, feel this light expand and strengthen. Say to yourself, I am alive. I am vibrant. I am filled with life force energy. Now, let this golden light grow, radiating outward in all directions. See it touching every animal, plant, and living being. Feel your energy connecting with the web of life. Say, I share my light. I am one with all life. I honor all kingdoms. As you give, so too do you receive. Visualize the energy of all beings flowing back to you, a rainbow of light returning to your heart. Feel the harmony of this exchange. Say, I receive the light of all beings. I am nourished. I am in balance. When you're ready, gently bring awareness back to your body. Feel the golden light within you, enriched by the energy of all living beings. Open your eyes, carrying this sense of connection with you.